Well, she's far from being trail ready, but at least she's back on the road. Let's see if she's gonna start. It's my 1970 Bronco. She's been sitting for 3 years with a broken axle. That's just pitiful. Full of cat hair and bird guts and everything else in here. So, crank this on. Fuel pump. She's a little cold, huh? Come on, baby. Well, there she goes. Here's the new parts. Got a new differential back here. Still got to put in the drive shaft. It's a high 9 with 35 spline axles, Detroit locker. Our front's now a Dana 44, 48 gears. Also, or with an ARB locker on that end. So we're far from trail ready, but at least we're back on the road. Got a full custom cage. A few more things to do with her tonight, and then put her back outside till the morning. Thanks for watching.